Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to make iPhone typing clicker loud. So if you're the type of person that like your iPhone clicker to be loud when you're typing something on your phone, for example this like that I'm typing, you want it to be loud, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings. So from there you have to scroll down, then under notification you have to click on sounds and articles. Tap on the sound and articles. Once tap on it, then scroll down, then under the option you're going to find keyboard feedback. Just tap on keyboard feedback, then make sure the sound for the keyboard is turned on, then make sure the sound articles also is turned on. So on your phone, whenever you're typing, the arctic will make your keyboard clicker louder than the normal sound you have, and that is how you can increase the clicker of your phone from the normal usual to the loud ones. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.